Hello and greetings from Japan. It's March the 27th and today we have a 2006 Toyota Alphard. It's the 3-liter four-wheel drive. It's the MNH 15. It's got 59,000 kilometers or about 37,000 miles. It's a grade 4 car, proper clean car. It has 18-inch alloy wheels. It's the Alcantara interior in pearl white. And as you can see, nice clean car. It's nothing much, a little bit of a scratch there. So a few little minor things. It's got the winker mirrors. It's got the smart entry, so you can enter the car and lock the car without the key. You can have the key in your pocket. The door molds are clean. The alloys are very clean. They're not scratched or corroded. It also has sonar parking on the rear, not the front, for those that are a little bit hesitant when parking a big car, which I'm a nervous reverser myself. I like cameras and sonar parking. Nice clean rear, and I thought I'd just open that as we walk around. Very nice interior, very well cared for, non-smoker car. It's also got the smart entry on the rear door as well, which is rather nice. It's the V6 engine, the 3-liter V6. Again, here's the proverbial bumper corners that nearly always get. Here's the workshop cat come to say hello. She's one of a few cats we have in the workshop. The dogs live in the garden, the cat lives in the workshop. And there's a scratch on there you can see, on the mole. Again, nice clean alloys. And the other bumper corner, you can see actually it looks like it's been a little bit of a touch-up on the very corner. Fog lights, HID, AFS lights. For those who don't know what AFS is, it's when the light follows you as you go around a corner, which is quite convenient. So there we go. Nice, very nice clean grille. Nice shiny grille and bumper. Okay, so let's unlock it and take a look at the power doors. There's dual remote power doors. There we go. And has the optional little step carpets, quite nice. Nice clean carpets. Good drink holder. Nice clean ceiling. No drooping, which these Alphards can be problematic. They can droop on the front. This one is perfect. Something to watch for when you're buying Alphards. And nice clean seats throughout. Okay. Oops. Okay, that's the rear. Close the doors. And take a look in the front. Again, very nice driver's seat. It's a very pleasant interior. Get in and you just feel really nice. The car has been well taken care of. The driver door card, nice and clean, no damage. Has a full set of keys. Quite often these keys, the covers deteriorate and crack. These ones are perfect, and they're with two smart keys as well. So a full set of keys with the car. Okay, getting inside. Let's start it up. Okay, as you can see, 59,000 kilometers. It's about 37,000 miles. 3-liter engine. Okay, all the warning lights are off. And we've got... oh, there she is. And we've got a rear camera with a guide monitor on it. Sorry to interrupt the lady. Oh, she's back again. Yeah. Well, she let you know the exact day. Here you go. Kill the volume. Sorry about that. The manuals are there. The glove box is perfect, not loose at all. There's another weak point with the Alphards. Is the glove box. People tend to press down on it too much. Anyway, it's fine. More books. I don't know what the service history is on this one. And oops, got the convenient little box in the middle. And another convenient box here. And as you can see, it's a non-smoker car. There's no... oh, stop, sorry. Okay, and has the interior power slide door controls here, and if you want to turn the AFS lighting off, you can, if you desire to do that. And the steering wheel is just very nice. It's what you would expect from a car with 37,000 miles. Leather and veneer. And it has that is the the indicator for the sonar. It tells you how close you are on which side, either left or right. So, okay, I think that's it for the interior. Let's take a look at the engine. Oops. Okay. Okay, and nice, it's the VVTi V6. It's just really clean. Another nice clean car. A fairly new battery. Okay, nice, and bonnet insulator is nice and clean as well. Okay. And let's take a look at the auction sheet. All right. As I say, it's a 2006 January Alphard V, the 3-liter V6 engine, the MS Limited 4-wheel drive. It's actually quite hard to find these 4-wheel drives. And it's even more so in the 3-liter version. It's a grade 4, a 4BB, which is as good as you'll get in a car of this age. And the sales point just mentions 4-wheel drive. It has a back camera, has power slide doors, Alcantara seats, HID headlights. Anyway, it's all the usual stuff. And on the auction points, it mentions that the back panel has a B1, which is tiny. I don't know why they mention it. Side mirror scratch, There again, interior bumper has a scratch underneath the edge, and one of the right power slide door wire needed replacing, which we have done. We put a new wire on it. And there's the condition report. As you can see, it's nothing at all. It's just a clean car. Came from a CAA auction. Again, nice clean carpets. It's a nice car. And four-wheel drive, which for some individuals is important. Okay, so that's it. Speak soon. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.